car stopped working in the middle of the road, and we are going to this place known as Cruje Market. Bye. Das vidanya.
Sorry?
Can't you just send somebody right now? Because I don't think there's a way that I'm going to be able to drive this vehicle half an hour back to you guys.
You charge now with petrol?
Yeah.
Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. आप लोगों ने देखा है that we are staying here in this village, in this house here, and today we are leaving from this place and I have no idea where we are going. First of all, we are going to the airport to drop Akansha and then we might go somewhere, but such a good place to stay here. The people are so good and they have a lot of grapes here जो मैंने खा लिया था. I ate some of them. And also यहाँ की जो ओनर है उसने मुझे ले जाके she told me to eat fruit from that tree. I don't know what tree it is exactly. मुझे नहीं पता, but I ate it. This one. No idea कि क्या है ये वाला fruit. But very nice people, very kind. कल रात को आके हमने इतना इसको knock किया इस store को. All the lights were closed, but they still came and they opened for us and they let us stay here. Bye. До свидания. This is Tirana Airport, the place where I landed the first time. So from here, just now Akansha left. वो चली गई वापस to Dubai because she has to go back to office tomorrow and she couldn't stay with us for a longer duration. तो अभी bye bye बोल दिया आकांक्षा को. Shubham went to drop her off.
We can only stay 4 minutes. Otherwise we had to pay $4.
$4 after this. तो अभी यहाँ पर like if you bring your car and come here, you can only stay for 4 minutes. That's what he said, and now we have to wait for Shubham. Where will we meet Shubham now? No idea. Anyways, yeah.
Just for the record, this airport is called Mother Teresa Airport. So they have a statue of Mother Teresa here.
Oh yeah, right here.
Namaste, Mother Teresa ji.
Now we're in some kind of a problem. We dropped Akansha at the airport and then we went to get the fuel. Shubham was sitting at the other side of the car, Braden sitting here, I'm here at the back, and we told the person who was at the gas station to put benzene. Oh no.
I accidentally hit the car.
So we told them to put the benzene, but I don't think that person understood. So the car stopped working in the middle of the road and we are going to this place known as Cruje Market.
I don't think we're going there anymore.
Yeah, I don't think we can go there.
We are
anymore.
going.
Just 12
I'm going back
minutes.
to India now. I'm going back to India now.
Shubham, no, please, Shubham, come back. Otherwise, we have to take your dead body, please. No, Shubham, no. Come back, Shubham. So, long story short, क्या हुआ कि car बीच में बंद हो गया. It was making some sound of some kind of a noise. Then we stopped the car, check किया. We couldn't figure out what was the problem. Then in the middle, the car stopped working right here. The car stopped working and then we realized क्या problem हो सकता है. फिर याद आया कि हमने आज जब यहाँ पर fuel डलवाया था तब इसको बोला था benzene, petrol करके. But I had a feeling that he must have used diesel instead of petrol. Not sure, but सब कुछ हमने research करके देख लिया. It says that जो अभी हमारे कार में problem हो रहा है, ये rented कार में, this thing happen only जब आप डीजल को पेट्रोल वाले कार में डालोगे. Too much noise. जब डीजल को आप पेट्रोल वाले कार में डालोगे तो ये सेम प्रॉब्लम होता है एंड हमें लग रहा है कि यही हो रहा है. अभी तो इट्स लाइक 3:22. यहाँ से 12 minutes is our destination, but we are currently waiting for the. एक तो इतना कार आता है ना, it's like also so disturbing here, but of course it's a road, it's their way. Making some this kind of a noise.
Has to go down from maybe?
Yeah, let it go 19.
This is a big problem.
Yeah. Just if the engine is full, and doesn't start, we'll come there for support. Okay, just half an hour or less than that.
Can't you just send somebody right now?
Sorry?
Can't you just send somebody right now? Because I don't think there's a way that I'm going to be able to drive this vehicle half an hour back to you guys.
Okay, okay. Okay.
It's like pulling teeth.
Wait. After parking the car there and waiting for that
And
guy to come and
Just for the record, we're far away from enough in the vehicle that if it does start rolling, we'll see it and we can jump out of the way.
yeah, right. And now we are playing Ludo here in the middle of the side of the road. The car not working.
It's my board. This is why I made it. I'm so happy. So happy.
So happy that we have this.
Now take red.
Yeah, red. I'm always red.
Red and won. Second Shubham, third was me. And in this way there are police who came and they were like, is everything okay? मैंने कहा no, car broke. फिर they were like, no problem. Then the next person came and he was like, do you need any help? Very good people. Actually one thing about Albania is that the people here are really kind. अच्छे लोग हैं यहाँ पर. And also even if you don't understand their language, they actually try to help you. So हमारा जो repair करने के लिए जहाँ से car rent किया था, that person has come here to check the car. I hope everything will be alright. Already 4:30 and बारिश भी थोड़ा बहुत हो रहा है. I think he's going to try the car.
You charge now with petrol?
Yeah, no, we stopped with gas at 20 miles down there.
इन्होंने बोला we have to go in this car and ये pick up करने आ जाएंगे. They will come and pick up the car and then we have to go down to the place जहाँ पे यहाँ से जाऊँगी. जहाँ से हमने car rent किया था वहाँ पर जाके car change कर लेंगे अभी. The thing was true. पेट्रोल की वजह हमने इसमें डीजल डाल दिया था. That's the reason. Guys, how am I supposed to fit inside?
I don't know.
One of you should sit here. Shubham, you're skinny.
I will bomb it if I sit
You
on
won't,
here.
you won't.
I'll just bomb it.
Okay, fine. You come outside first.
आजा तीनों बैठ जाते हैं.
तो अब जाएंगे इस कार में. And we'll change the car. Such a good day we have today. Such a fruitful day.
Very good day.
Very fruitful day.
Very good, because I won at Ludo.
Yeah.
I would come second position. See the loser.
No, Shiva meant to say he came in first place loser.
Well, you don't have to be loser on game. It depends on your heart.
चल ठीक है हो गया बहुत.
Is that what they say in Bhutan? Because that's wrong.
Yeah.
That's not what we say in America. Either you're first or you're nothing.
True. It's okay, Shubham, it's okay. आ गया कार उठाने के लिए ये गाड़ी. अब ये जाएगा इसमें, फिर हम जाएंगे इस वाले में. Braden is very happy.
I can say a lot of words in Hindi, but none of them are appropriate.
Oh, other job. You can do both. You guys must leave. I'm proud to get them 6 shoes to hang up with now. Hey. Up in my man. Bakmadi, hadi. Pretoje.
यहाँ गया हमारा ऑडी आज. हमारा कार चला गया एक दिन के लिए जो ऑडी लिया था. ब्रेडन बहुत खुश था कि आज मैं ऑडी ड्राइव करने वाला हूँ करके बट ऑल द ड्रीम्स आर नाउ गॉन. अब एक्सचेंज होगा नीचे जाके शायद. बाय बाय. क्या बोलते हैं नीचे जाकर देखेंगे. शायद वो लोग पैसा लेंगे, शायद नहीं लेंगे, शायद ये लोग चेंज कर दे देंगे. अभी कुछ भी नहीं पता है. तो हम जाके देखते हैं नीचे कार रेंटल में जाके फिर से. चलो क्लास गुड बाय बोलते हैं इसको. बाय बाय. तो जहाँ से हमने पेट्रोल लिया था वहीं पर पहुंच गए अभी। तो इस जगह से लिया था पेट्रोल एंड दे आर टॉकिंग ओवर देयर डिस्कसिंग। वी थॉट इट वाज पेट्रोल बट आई थिंक दे से इट वाज डीजल जो हमने कार में लगाया था। तो मैंने जो बोला था शुभम को एडवेजन को कि मुझे लगता है कि पेट्रोल नहीं डीजल लग रहा है, सो इट वाज ट्रू आई गेस। जो येलो वाला डाला था and they're still talking there. I don't know what they will do. Maybe trying to figure out what to do next. So the person who actually was here, who added the petrol or diesel पता नहीं क्या add किया in our car, वो यहीं पर है. But the thing is that he is now like he's saying that he did not do it, but we are sure कि उसी ने किया था. I remember his face and I remember it was the second one जो मैंने आपको दिखाया, क्योंकि मैं देख रही थी ऊपर कि is it written petrol or not, but there was nothing written. So I remember it was the second. It was like 200% on it. So but they are like no, they did not do it. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर. अभी तो फिलहाल वेट करना पड़ेगा. But I remember we told him that and he was the one. ये लोग बात कर रहे हैं with the car rental service guy, the car rental guy, the person who added the fuel in our car, और ये मैकेनिक. तीन बात कर रहे हैं. Let's see. तो ये है जो रेंटल कार कंपनी जहाँ से हमने रेंट किया था, HERTZ, that's the name of it. And ये जो है अभी हमें कार एक्सचेंज कर लिया है हमने. तो अभी हमने कार एक्सचेंज कर लिया and this is the car now from Audi to this. And it's quite fine because उन्होंने अभी तक they did not tell us if it's our mistake or not and they did not charge us extra money, but ये सब पता चलेगा end में. But इसका प्राइस एंड जो Audi जो हमने लिया था पहले, उन दोनों का प्राइस का जो डिफ्रेंसिएशन है, they are going to talk about that as well and adjust हो जाएगा. So finger crossed. I thought everything will be well. And in this restaurant we were drinking chai and coffee, which they told that is totally on them and we don't have to pay anything, which is so kind of them. But yeah, so आज का डे ऐसे रहा. Quite fruitful day. हमें जाना था कहीं और, फंस गए रास्ते में. But now we know that you can't mix petrol and diesel together. We knew it already, लेकिन हाँ, if you are in a place like this, you should tell them at least 5-6 times, please petrol डाल दो, please petrol डाल दो. Then only they will be able to do it. तो yeah, we found it. Problem क्या था कार का, that instead of petrol we used diesel. हमने बोला भी था petrol, but they used diesel, and as a result car stopped working. So if you are ever in this kind of complication, just stop the car, run away from the car if you can, and try to get it fixed. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and see you in the next video.
거울 속